Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to easily change your display name on the Pocket FM app. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to update their profile identity quickly and make sure their account reflects their current preferences. First, open the Pocket FM app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Next, look for the edit icon near your profile information and click on it to open the editing options. Then, find the name field where your current display name is shown. Tap on this field and enter your new preferred name carefully. Make sure the name is exactly how you want it to appear on your profile. After entering the new name, finally, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button to update your profile. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, give it a like, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more useful tutorials.